Okay, so now we are going to understand the concept of MQTT, so message queue telemetry transfer. So here in this presentation we have few points are there. So let me understand. So message queue telemetry transfer is a one of the data protocol we already discussed in the previous section. So it is the ISO standard, so means International Standard Organization. So it is a part of MQTT protocol is the standard of International Standard Organization, and IEC, International Electrical Communication, PRF 20922. So that is the number given to this particular protocol. So it is a publish subscribe based protocol. Publish subscribe means whenever you are making a request, request is a subs. Whenever you subscribed to a particular service, then it will be published that particular service. That means request response, same like similarly like a request response. So this type of protocol that was used in so many IoT devices. So for many to many communications, many IoT devices will communicate it to many IoT devices, then we will use this type of protocol. So it is publish subscribe based lightweight messaging protocol. So lightweight in the sense the data will be very less power consumption, so it will be transferred very accurately. So lightweight messaging protocol for use in conjunction with the TCP by IP protocol. So within it is also uses the TCP uses with the conjunction with the TCP by IP protocol, that is transition control protocol by internet protocol. So this is also similarly like an TCP by IP protocol. MQTT was introduced by IBM. So this message queue telemetry transfer protocol was introduced by 1999, and it was standard by Oasis. Okay, I will tell you what is the full form of Oasis. It is standard by the Oasis, OASIS, in 2013. In 2013. So it is designed to provide the connectivity mostly embedded between applications and middlewares on one side, and networks and communications on the other side. So it is used for two different purposes. One is for it is applications and middlewares. You know what is a middleware software? Middleware software means, so like if an example for the middleware software is, I don't have a proper software, so there will be a software that was created by the organization. So it is a middleware software between the main software and the client software. Okay, so that is the middlewares or middleware applications. Middlewares provides different types of software tools for maintaining, managing, and organizing our own applications in the servers. Okay, mostly in so many embedded applications, that means so many IoT devices, for data transferring and data retrieving purpose, we are using MQTT protocol, message queue telemetry transfer protocol. So it is also another hand. So it is also used in network communications. So for one network to another network for communication of data, means transferring of data from one place to another place, one network to another network. So this type of protocol was used. Okay, next. So a message broker, that means a mediator will be there. A message broker controls the publish subscribing messaging pattern. This how whenever the request will become, these all requests will be maintained in the queue. The request means here the technically the main request means subscribers. How many subscribers will be there? The all the subscribers will be keep in a queue. That queue will be maintained by the message broker. So message broker controls the publish subscribe messaging pattern. So a topic to which a client is subscribed is updated in the form of messages and distributed by the message broker. So that means topic means the data packets will be transferred by the message broker. He will controls the entire thing. He will be distributed the messages to the respected clients. The respected clients will receive the messages uh, through controlled by the message broker. So next, it is designed for remote connections. It is also designed for limited bandwidth and small code footprint. What is that? I will tell you. Remote connections means, so we know that there is different types of remote areas. I want to transfer one IoT device that was in remote areas. In that particular time I have to transfer a particular data. So mostly in remote connection designs this type of protocol was used. This type of message queue telemetry transfer protocol was used. At the same time there was a limited bandwidth which communication channel is very less or very limited. So then in the limited bandwidth we need to transfer the accurate data through a particular channel that is very limited. Then at that particular situations also we will use the MQTT protocol, message queue telemetry transfer protocol. And small code footprint, the meaning of that is, so whenever very small code, a number of statements of a particular application very small, that will be executed in an embedded systems, at that particular time also we will use MQTT protocol. So that means whenever somebody developed an embedded application with very small number of statements that will be executed over the IoT devices, so that is known as small code footprint. So at this type of applications, if you want to develop, we will use MQTT. So what are the components of MQTT?